How to fix Valorant not updating? First step, open Riot client, click profile icon, click settings, this page will appear, click Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot client and Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. Both Riot client and Valorant should enable in both private and public. If it's not having means, click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive, Riot games, Valorant, you get the Valorant application. Go to Riot client folder, you get the Riot client, click add in the bottom side. After adding, click OK in the bottom side. And the next step, right click Riot client, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Search for run and type the following text, percentage local app data percentage, click OK. Scroll down and search for Riot games folder, click it. Click Riot client folder. If cache available means you need to delete it, and click Valorant folder. If cache available means you need to delete the caches, and come back and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text, services.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. If it stop means click start and make the service status running. Close it. And the next step, right click this PC, go to C drive, right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Your C drive have enough memory space. Verify it. If it's not having means sometimes the issue will occur, so you need to verify that. Successfully scanned, click OK. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.